In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Fortnite stuck on loading screen. Let's get started. First, make sure you completely close the Fortnite and the Epic Games launcher. Then relaunch it. Now navigate to Library and find Fortnite in your game list. Click the three dots next to it and select Manage. Then use the Verify option to check your game files. This will scan your installation and automatically repair any corrupted or missing files, which is often the main cause of loading screen issues. After that, enable launch options and carefully add a few commands such as skipping the splash screen, disabling GPU crash debugging, and forcing DirectX 11 mode to improve stability. These settings help prevent crashes and reduce loading freezes by making the game run in a more stable environment. Once everything is set, launch Fortnite again and it should move past the connecting screen smoothly and load you into the main menu without getting stuck. So that's all for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.